Okay guys, listen carefully with my plans, or else we won't pull this off properly.
I'm Groot.
Why are you not agreeing with this plan?
I'm Groot.
You mean his plan sucks?
I'm Groot.
So you want me to put him to sleep?
I'm Groot.
Okay, go to sleep. What are you guys listening to? I'm Groot. And here's the toy that we're going to review for today. This is the Epic Heroes series Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy Star-Lord. And as you can see, ganito ang packaging niya sa harap. May window na siya dyan na makikita at makakapa mo na mismo si Star-Lord. And at the back, obligatory product shot ng ating figure. And at the side, yung figure lang natin na si Star-Lord. And at the other side, yung buong team. And on top, buong team ulit, and at the bottom, words and stuff. Pag na-unbox natin si Star-Lord, kasama lang tayong love letter dito from Hasbro. Meron siya dito mga accessories na naka-paper. Check natin yung laman, and ito yung mga weapon ni Star-Lord. Check natin yung pinaka-details na lang ng isa since pareho lang naman yung itsura ng dalawa. Bang bang dito ni Star-Lord yan. Ganyan ang pinaka-itsura niyan. Okay, so dalawa yan ha. Dalawa yung makukuha ninyo. And as you can see here, na nakatali pa si Star-Lord. So iantayin na natin yan. And ito si Star-Lord. Check muna natin yung pinaka-details niya. Yan, sa face niya. Maganda rin ha, kahit na maliit lang yung figure natin, kamukha pa rin naman ni Chris Pratt. Yan o, nakuha nila yung face, which is good. Galing. Then, ito yung pinaka-details nung body niya. Ayan. Wala nang ibang shades ng blue. Ganyan lang ang pinaka-itsura niyan. Sa likod, yan. Okay, sa ilalim. Ayan, itsura niyan. And on top. So, para sa kanyang articulation, yung head niya, naro-rotate yan. 360. Wala nang look up and look down. Meron siyang Creed moment with arms wide open. Ganyan. And of course, naro-rotate yung shoulder niya dyan, 360. Next articulation niya is dito na sa kanyang elbow. Yan ang kanyang elbow bent na naro-rotate din, 360. And wala nang articulation sa mga kamay. Wala rin articulation sa pinaka-body niya. Next is sa kanyang legs. Kaya niya ang ating Van Damme split. And yung kanyang high kick, ganyan. Yung kanyang back kick, halos walang back kick kasi humaharang yung kanyang butt flap dyan. Next articulation niya is dito sa kanyang knees and wala nang articulation sa kanyang paa. Now let's try naman yung kanyang mga weapons. Okay, lagyan natin yan dyan. Okay, so ganoon din. Naka-dual weapon siya. Lagyan din natin itong kabila and then there you go. So hawak niya na yung both weapon and ganyan na itsura niyan. Pag hawak niya na yung weapons niya. Now, para sa height ni Star-Lord natin, ang height niya is around 4 inches. Maganda niyan, i-compare pa natin siya sa iba pa nating figure tulad ng ating Hammond Collection, Dr. Ellie Sattler. Oh, mas maliit. Our Marvel Legends Thor. Our Marvel Legends knockoff version na Hulk. Our core class Optimus Prime. And our Super Mario Bros. Bowser. So, yan ang ating height comparison. If you're planning to avail this Epic Heroes series na Guardians of the Galaxy Star-Lord, ang price range nila is around 200 pesos up to 800 pesos. Depende na lang again kung saang market kayo makakuha ng copy ninyo or makakakuha din kayo ng nakasale na. There you have it naman guys, na ang ating Epic Heroes series from Marvel Guardians of the Galaxy Star-Lord. What do you think of this small Star-Lord? Is it a go for you or no for you? Whatever thoughts, please comment it down below. But for me, the reason kung bakit ako kumuha nito is because unang-una, nakasale sila nung nakuha ko na. So doon pa lang sa price, parang sulit na. Although itong ating pinaka main figure is okay naman yung looks niya, medyo nakukulangan lang ako sa paints, pero overall, pwede na for me. Kahit na medyo may pagka-basic yung pinaka-articulation natin dito kasi sa kamay and sa paa, halos wala silang articulation even sa body. Still a good figure na rin rather than mas super basic pa yung articulation niya. And the main reason kung bakit ako kumuha netong small scale na Guardians of the Galaxy is gusto ko rin silang i-partner sa mga human figure ko naman ng mga Jurassic figures.